To place a bid on PLC Auction, you must have an available balance in your account. After finding a car you like, simply enter your bid amount. Click Bid Now and confirm to place your bid. That's it. Your bid has been placed. You can now go to your personal account area to monitor the auction, track your car, and increase your bid if someone outbids you. We recommend checking the recommended bid table next to each vehicle. It shows the estimated price at which the car is most likely to sell. If you place a bid that's too low, you may lose the auction due to the reserve price. If you're unsure about the condition of the car, we suggest performing a vehicle identification number check to get a detailed history report, including accident records, odometer fraud, and more. For a more in-depth review, you can order an inspection where a professional at the auction will thoroughly inspect the vehicle and provide more than 100 real photos of its current condition. Good luck on your next bid.